Understand where the challenges are, and effective today, they will see increased deployment and increased focus in the manner in which we patrol our areas.
Ni murugamo wa minista wa ugitiri wa thĩinĩ Dr. Fred Matiang'i agĩtangatha birigiceni ya gwethana na aria makoretwo makinyarira muingĩ Makiria gicigo-ini gĩa gatagati ka bũrũri na aria marerikana nĩ gikundi gitari gitikirie kia Mungiki na aria macenjetie ritwa na kwiita Gaza. Mĩario ya Matiang'i ikĩoneka gũciara matunda thutha wa birigiceni ya gwethana na memba gikundi gĩkĩ kwambĩkwo. Makiria ma Ekuirwo 100 nĩ marĩkĩtie guikio ngono kũringana na Murugamiriri wa ugitiri gicigo-ini gĩa gatagati ka bũrũri Wilson Njega.
And we are saying that we will continue that crackdown across the region. As I mentioned in my area brief the day before yesterday, is that we, in the crackdown in Nyandaro, we have been able to arrest 11 members who are having case pending in court. In Kiambu County, 8. Yesterday in Nyeri, when we began the crackdown, 45 were arrested yesterday, and across the region we have started that operation.
Ũhoro ũyũ ũkĩtio rĩrĩa andũ makoretwo magĩikara na hau ciĩko cia ica ikuhĩ irĩ ahũri biacara kuuma Nyeri kũhithũkĩrwo marĩ mĩciĩ-inĩ yao, amwe ao makĩaga wĩki tiga gũtiga nyũmba ciao na gũthamĩra kũndũ kũngĩ.
This thief says we are stealing because we don't have jobs. We have come to create jobs. We're employing people, but the same people now being targeted.
In staying maybe in hotels, sometimes going out in different places and staying with the friends.
They took the ties from the bedroom, they tied me on the back, and they said, lie down.
This Gaza group from Nairobi coming into parts of the region. But that in Gaza, the name Gaza and the Mungiki, almost synonymous because the activities we are seeing as the same. We are seeing Mungiki is metamorphosing into something else now.
Uge wa Njega ukionekana gukorwo ari mugaru na miario ya munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet uria ureganite na uhoro uyu ati gikundi kia Mungiki giticokete.
First of all, I do not agree with you that there is a resurgence. But I don't know whether you said an upsurge in incidences of crime in all over the country, because the statistics that I have do not bear that out. But nonetheless, as required as demanded by a mandate, that we do both preventative and we also respond to cases of crime. I'm sure you must have heard from Central what the commanders in Central are doing with respect to criminals who may have relocated from Nairobi to the rural backyards, thinking because Nairobi has become too hot.
No ona kuhana uguo Njega nĩ ũrĩtie muingĩ o ũndũ ũmwe na arugamĩrĩri ugitiri gicigo-ini kia gatagati ka bũrũri metegere kũnyitanĩra na maabitha borithi harĩ birigiceni ya gwethana na amemba gikundi gĩkĩ. Rĩtana rĩrĩ rĩgĩũka o rĩrĩ Ekuirwo erĩ mareneanire wabici-inĩ cia rũhonge rwa ũthuthuria mũthenya wa ira magĩteithĩrĩrio nĩ arũgamĩrĩri a gikundi kĩmwe gĩa gũtetera ihoto cia muingĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njenga wa Wambui.